This fifth wheel was designed for remote workers and retirees. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Open Range 371 MBH. It is designed, at least the floor plan, is designed for full-timers and has a few surprises. Now, if this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, I do about an 8 to 10 minute walkthrough of the entire fifth wheel and talk about it without any special effects, sound effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. Coming over here, we look at the weight sticker first. So it has a cargo capacity of 3,647 pounds. It has a GVWR over here of 16,470 pounds with two 7,000 pound axles on 16-inch rims. Okay, now it has an area for two 12-volt batteries. It looks like you could fit a group of 24 in there, or you could fit a couple 6 volts. Two 5-gallon propane tanks, as you can see there. If we come over here, this is a downside but an upside. Because of the big slide right here, they can't put the underbelly door really high, so you have to kind of push on it. And you see there, not bad, pretty decent. You'll see why it's a little short on the other end. There's actually a surprise on the other end. 10-gallon hot water heater. It's 50 amp service, 2 air conditioners, and it has an auto level system. Lots of slide outs, as you can see. This has the air ride pin box. That's always a nice feature. Now it does have an area for a solar panel, so if you want to get a portable solar panel, you can plug it in there. And then over here is the other side of the pass-through storage. And the reason why it's so short over here is, voila, outside kitchen. Now I like this outside kitchen. I like how much space there is. It's a pull-out. It has the little griddle and a sink and a small little beer fridge. Well, I call it a beer fridge. Maybe it's a lemonade or Coca-Cola fridge for you. Who knows? Now, what I will say, though, is this refrigerator only works when you're hooked up to shore power or a generator. It does not work on the batteries. Okay, now if you enjoy videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Over here, they call it 4 Seasons Protection. It has the 4-step solid step. Go inside. And it's beautiful. Now it is used. This particular one, I believe, is a 2020 model. If you're interested in purchasing or looking at it, in the description box below, I will put with the website and the dealership that is located at. It's got a Whirlpool refrigerator. Now this does work on an inverter, so it does work on the batteries, the solar, and even when you're plugged in to your 7-way pin plug into the back of your truck, it will continue to work. It works on its own inverter system. Nice little storage. I love the island kitchen. There's a lot of prep space. Now if we look at the sink, it is a 1-piece sink, which is my favorite because I love chili, I love pozole, I love chicken soup. You need big pots, big pans. I've said that several times on my channel. Now there are people that love the divided sink. There's nothing wrong. It's all personal preference. This is just my opinion, and my opinion is I love this more than I like the split sink. I like the drawers. They're easy, glide, and close. Sorry about the beeping sound in the background. The propane leak detector is the battery's going dead and needs to be replaced. So please bear with the noise. Trash can area, storage. Ooh, replacement caps. You can always use those. I break one every once in a while, especially on the Cougar fifth wheel. Okay, coming over here, we're going to swing around. back to where the microwave was. Again, as I mentioned before, convection microwave. Nice storage. 3-burner stove. Nice size oven. We haven't even gotten to the good stuff yet. So a little pull-out pantry for like your soups, your spices, things of that nature. And then you have a nice big pantry. It doesn't feel like a waste of space pantry like a lot of other fifth wheel floor plans put in. Nice and deep. You can fit your cereal boxes, your dry goods, big flat screen TV, Furrion sound bar, fireplace. Just remember the fireplace does output heat if you're plugged in, similar to a space heater. I love that big storage. You could put your Xbox, your PlayStation, lots of possibilities there. No, it doesn't come with the broom. I was sweeping out the place because it's a little dusty. Nice cabinet space above. The only thing I really don't like about the cabinets above the couch is I'm short. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am a short king at 5'10". And at 5'10", I still need a stepladder to get up there. But to have storage that you only use every once in a while, let's say some nice dishes that you use on a special occasion, maybe linens that you use, let's say blankets that you store up there during the winter, or I'm sorry, during the summer because you don't need them. That's the type of things you're going to put up there. Stuff that you don't use every day. Sleeper sofa. And I like on both sides you have charging stations and an area to put like Coca-Cola or adult beverage, as I like to have. Theater seating. Freestanding dinette with 4 chairs. Some folks like it, some people don't. I like it personally in a fifth wheel for a couple because you can always add more chairs and you can extend it out and have a game night. It's really, really hard to have game night and squeeze into a booth or U-shaped dinette. That's just my opinion. So having this is pretty awesome. Again, I'm going to go up the ladder. More storage for stuff that you're not going to use all the time, but you're going to use seasonally. Maybe you put Christmas decorations or Halloween stuff up there. Sorry about the little Blair Witch Project. Surprise! We have an office. For those that are remote workers, welcome to your office. Get yourself a little chair. You have USB plugs here for your charging for your cell phones, your devices. You have an area to plug in for your laptop, your computer, and you got office cabinetry. Look at that. So, close the door. You got a little couch. That can also be a sleeper sofa if you want to have guests and you want them to have a little privacy. You can also add a TV in here. Lots of options, lots of versatility, and surprise, stackable washer dryer. Somebody wanted to full-time RV in this thing because especially if you're doing remote work, this is a very beneficial floor plan. You also have a loft area that you can use for, again, children sleeping. If you're a family, a guest, maybe use it for storage. I've seen more people use this loft area for like container storage than I have actual sleeping. That doesn't mean people don't use it for sleeping. Linen closet. Area for all your stuff. Ooh, look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom. All kinds of lights, your slides, your awnings. Sorry, I like to play. I like to fiddle around. Okay, bathroom. The shower is really decent sized. It's that in-between shower. It's not as deep as some. It's not as long as some, but it's the middle ground. We'll call it the compromise. Really good size. You can sit down. You can stand up. You don't feel like you're in a sardine can. Same thing with the toilet area. The only place you feel like a sardine can is up against this wall. Again, lots of space. So, you know, I'm a claustrophobia guy. I don't like using public bathrooms. I hate public bathrooms. This feels like I have a lot of space in between sitting down. And that's important for both men and women. What I don't like is I don't like the pocket door. But again, you can't really put a normal door there. So there's got to be some give and take sometimes. We may not like it, but design-wise, you can only have a pocket door there. Lots of counter space around the sink, medicine cabinet, storage underneath, another area for linens, toilet, or it's a paper towel, sorry. Good Lord. Don't know what I'd use that for. I know what I'd use this stuff for. I know I use all these drawers for, all the toiletries and washcloths. Washcloths are important. Okay, let's walk into the bedroom this way. There is another door. Area to put a flat screen TV. Now, what I love about this particular floor plan is how wide and deep these two drawers are. Gentlemen, your significant other, your spouse, they're going to take over those drawers. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty good space. Look, somebody had a dog. That's cute. Anyway, the spouse will be taking over the majority of the closet space. And then you also have drawers underneath as well. So good clothing storage. That looks like an RV king. So it's shorter than a king, but it's got the same width. Again, 2 air conditioners. I mean, I like this floor plan. I really do. And if you really enjoyed this floor plan, enjoyed this walkthrough, in the top right-hand corner, there's another 5th wheel floor plan that I think you can full-time RV in. And let me know what your opinion is. Till next time, RV stands for toolkit and sense of humor.